Morning, folks, and it's crafting time. And what we're going to do this round, we're going to do a series of videos for the summer reading program. Now, if you haven't registered already, it's not too late. Go ahead and register as you can. Otherwise, you're welcome to follow along with all the videos. There are some great prizes involved for the end of the summer reading program if you register. So if you can, great. If you can't, you can still do these crafts and just ask for the things you need. Now, I will warn you, there are some items on the list that we may need you to supply or your parents to supply. Today is one of them. This is a foaming paint, basically. We're going to need some cups, which we will provide. We will provide the paper, the shaving cream, which you will need, and the glue we probably will provide if you need it. Otherwise, I'm pretty sure you'll have that at home. Just let us know if you need some of the supplies that we think you might have on hand. Let us know. We'll see what we can do to provide for you. Another item that you're going to need is the food coloring. Now, if your mom or your dad bake, chances are pretty good you already have food coloring. But if you don't, this is one of those things you're going to have to let us know so that we can provide it for you. They are kind of scarce and hard to find for donations. So this is one of those things that please let us know. We'll give you one per family if you need it, but check with your mom or dad and see if you'll have food color on hand. Now we're going to get going. We're going to make a painted galaxy. And what we're going to do, yes, forgive the big jug of glue. We're going to mix glue up in each one of these cups. Just a little bit goes a long way. Now, as you can see, I also have plastic on the table in order to protect the furniture. Please do so, or else your mom, dad may not let you keep crafting with us if we keep making a mess. So try to be nice to their furniture, folks. Now, we've got 3 different cups. Now, I just have 3 different colors in this food coloring. And that's the reason why I chose 3 cups. There's shaving cream. This is travel size, pretty easy to come by. And we're going to, see, it makes a mess. We're going to mix in equal parts of glue and shaving cream. Now this is foamy. Now we get to make our 3 different colors that we want to make here. Now I have red. I make hummingbird feed, so I always have red on stock. And depending on how much red, depends on how bright the colors are, okay? And luckily for me, I have primary colors. Primary colors are red, blue, and yellow. And with the primary colors, you can make any color scheme you would like. All right, so there's the blue, and here's the yellow. Now, I want to make sure it's a good bright yellow. Okay. I'm going to put that back, and we're going to use little popsicle sticks to stir our foamy paint. Now, you want to get the glue up in the shaving cream as well. And look how bright the color is. Isn't that pretty? All right. Ooh, yeah, that's going to be some good foamy paint, I tell ya. And we're going to use another one so we don't mix the colors quite yet. And if you need more color, by all means, we can add more food coloring to it. Got to get some glue up in this. And this is the reason why I give you really big cups. You're thinking, oh my goodness, that's so much paint. And it is. It does make a lot of paint. Oh, I forgot my Keystar cardboard type paper here to be able to do the painting on. Because it's supposed to be as dark as space in the night sky. Now, I'm leaving the sticks in because there are several different ways you can paint. You can paint with your fingers. You can paint, which I make sure you have a faucet ready on hand if you're going to paint with your fingers, guys. But you can also paint with the popsicles even, you know, or do a splatter effect. Make sure you have plenty of plastic if you're going to do it that way. And I'll show you a little bit once I get it all mixed up. This is part of the whole heave-ho. It's good exercise, to tell you, for stirring it. Okay, and I also have a little spongy to help dip in to paint things. So we're going to start with yellow. We're going to make a bunch of stars, and you can make ziggies and zaggies. And if you want to mix colors, you may want another cup. Like if I wanted to make green, I would mix this yellow with this blue. Or if I want purple, in fact, I'll show you. Don't recommend doing this unless you have a plastic bag or a plate on hand, but I've got this garbage bag I'm going to use. I'm going to put a little bit of blue and a little bit of red. And this is going to mix up, and it should be kind of a purple. Oh, see, there's the purple. You can kind of see it. Looks like it's Easter gone wild down here. There it is. That's our purple. So we're going to use that. I'm going to actually use that into a cloud. Use this purple paint. And see, that's what you can do with primary colors. You can mix them and make new colors. That's the beauty of intergalactic paint. All right. So I'm going to use straight up blues. We're going to go make a little line through this. By all means, it can be as thick or as thin as you'd like. Maybe there's Pluto out there. That's the great thing about it. Now, if you don't want the same color, clean off your brush. Now, if you want to have water to clean off your brush, you most certainly can. Or we could just dunk it in there. Make sure you don't mix your colors. There's going to be a Mars. You know, whatever colors. And if you want to use your finger, maybe smooth them out a little bit. This is a great thing for the plastic bag, I tell you what. Maybe we have lots of little red planets. Whatever is your... And this is what the fluffy paint will look. I'm not sure if he's a galaxy or an alien. He can be whatever you want. It can be a planet. It can be the Milky Way. It can be an alien. Get creative. This is your story. By all means, make it the way you would want it. Until next time, we'll keep a video up every week for the summer reading program. Come join us, and if you need any of the supplies, let us know. We'll pick them up for you, okay? Thank you. Bye.